Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own chlorophyll. First, select fresh, dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach or parsley. Ensure they are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or impurities. You'll also need a good blender, a fine mesh strainer, and a clean bowl for collecting your chlorophyll liquid. This simple process allows you to extract the vibrant green pigment directly from plants at home. To begin, take about 2 cups of your washed greens and roughly chop them into smaller pieces. Place these chopped greens into your blender. Next, add 1 cup of filtered water to the blender with the greens. Blend the mixture on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes, or until it reaches a smooth, liquid consistency. This step is crucial for breaking down the plant cells and releasing the chlorophyll. Once blended, it's time to separate the liquid chlorophyll from the plant fibers. Position a fine mesh strainer over a clean bowl. Carefully pour the entire blended green mixture into the strainer. Use the back of a spoon or a spatula to press down firmly on the pulp, extracting as much of the green liquid as possible. The vibrant green liquid collected in the bowl is your fresh, homemade chlorophyll. For best results, store your freshly made chlorophyll in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will typically stay fresh for about 3 to 5 days. To use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the liquid to a glass of water, your favorite smoothie, or even a juice. This is a wonderful way to incorporate more natural goodness into your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of this vibrant green extract.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.